Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging MDCat MCQs to sharpen your knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQs is live and mosses are kept under A. Angiosperms, B. Gymnosperms, C. Birophytes, and D. Pteridophyta. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which of the following group of plant produces spores, has vascular tissue and lacks seeds? A. Gymnosperms, B. Pteridophytes, C. Birophytes, and D. Fungi. So the correct option is B. Pteridophytes. The next MCQ is the most primitive vascular plants are A. Cyas, B. Ferns, C. Red algae, and D. Brown algae. So the correct option is B. Ferns. The next MCQ is embryophyta includes A. Angiosperm, B. All the plants, C. Algae and fungi, and D. Bryophyta and pteridophyta. So the correct option is B. All the plants. Next MCQ is which of the following are kept and trichophyta? A. Algae and fungi, B. Gymnosperms and pteridophyta, B. C. Pteridophyta and angiosperm, and D. Pteridophyta, gymnosperm and angiosperm. So the correct option is D. Pteridophyta, gymnosperm and angiosperm. The next MCQ is which of the following is not a pteridophyta? A. Selaginella, B. Fern, C. Equestrium, and D. Sphagnum. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is blue-green mold name is given to A. Aspergillus, B. Penicillium, C. Alternara, and D. Agaricus. So the correct option is B. Penicillium. The next MCQ is which one is not a bryophyte? A. Polytrichum, C. Dawsonia, C. Pelia, and D. Fern. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is gymnosperm differs from angiosperm as in having A. Trichetes only, B. Nactules, C. No, re, and D. All of these. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is which phylum of animals is exclusively marine? A. Porifera, A. Porifera, B. Coelenterate, C. Mollusca, and D. Echinodermata. So the correct option is D. Echinodermata. The next MCQ is which of the following is most unmatching group? A. Cockroach, king crab, spider, silverfish, B. Whale, bat, lizard, seahorse, C. Starfish, C. Urchin, C. Cucumber, D. Crayfish, cuttlefish, sawfish, and hagfish. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is body is segmented and A. Mollusca, B. Porifera, C. Coelenterate, and D. Annelida. So the correct option is D. Annelida. The next MCQ is phylum Arthropoda is characterized by A. Hairs, external segmentation, 3 pairs of legs, B. Exoskeletal system, 1 pair of chelicerae, C. External segmentation, a pair of chelicerae, a pair of pipdipap, so and D. Chitinous exoskeleton, external segmentation, paired jointed appendages. So the correct option is G. The next MCQ is radial symmetry as seen and A. Spawns, B. Fishes, C. Starfish, and D. Mollusca. So the correct option is C. Starfish. The next MCQ is integument of arthropoda is covered with A. Chitinous cuticle, B. Smooth muscle, C. Strong calcareous shell, and D. None of these. So the correct option is A. Thanks for joining me. I hope these NMDCat MCQs help you sharpen your knowledge. Keep tuning and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.